Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Leticia and today I have a review for you guys. So I have been waiting for this package, not for a long time, but you know.
Get a thumbs up.
Yes, give it a thumbs up. So, and I am so excited because I got a package. So let's see what it is.
Ready, guys?
Ready for this? Without further ado, let's open it up.
Yes! Yes. I can see what it is.
I'm good with knives, just so you know. Okay.
Okay.
Take this away, please, my hamburger helper. Ooh, yes, I've been waiting for this.
You ready?
Because I want my pearly whites. So, check this out.
Very good, and subscribe for the channel. Also, don't read this mommy's video.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I think I'm entertaining. Okay, so we've got here teeth whiteners. So this is called Lumineux.
Oh.
I've been seeing it on Instagram and I just can't wait to try them. It says here certified non-toxic whitening strips. Minutes to whiten your teeth, whitening without the sensitivity. So they have 28 strips and for 14 treatments, okay, for the top and the bottom. All right, I mean, I think it's like your basic strips. You just peel and put on, and that's about it. So these are the strips. Now another box comes in there. I think I bought the whole shebang. Excuse me, sir. I'm gonna open this with a knife.
Okay.
Let's see what else comes inside. Puppy, please get out of my way.
Okay.
All right.
Also, subscribe and don't read my channel.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right. I got a big supporter here. All right. So, ooh, look at this. Your brightest smile is your best accessory. Yes, it is. Okay.
Look, another white.
Yes, Papito, but can I speak? Thanks. Okay. So you look at this and tell me what you think. Okay, so certified non-toxic whitening mouthwash. So this is the mouthwash, okay.
Also,
Enamel safe. Okay, so my son left. Goodness, yes, he went to go eat. Thank goodness, because he's just. Then we have the certified non-toxic whitening toothpaste, the whitening strips, and I also got a nice little toothbrush. So this toothbrush looks very like homemade or something like that. See, it's like it's like a wood toothbrush. So it says here whitening strips. This is how you use it, or how often, it says here on their little thingamajigger. Once a day for the first 4 days, and then 1 to 2 times a week after for maintenance. And then for the toothpaste, it says brush twice a day for 120 seconds. Okay, all right, cool. In the morning and at night you can do the whitening thing. And then for the mouthwash, it says here shake well and rinse twice a day also for 60 seconds. Let us open up the strips. Okay. Oh shoot, things are coming off. Things are coming off. Okay. There's nothing in there. Okay. Oh, okay, so the little strip comes off of here. See, this was here, so it came off on its own. This must be the bottom. Let's look at the directions again. Okay. And let the clock begin. So I will see you back in 30 minutes. Okay, so I am back. It's been 30 minutes, so let's clean this out. Let's take this out. One mistake that I made, but it's okay because it's only day one, is I didn't take a picture with my phone from the beginning. And I'm breathing hard because I just ran up the stairs because the alarm sounded, and I'm like, I gotta get these off. So let me get these off. But I did not take a picture of the before, but I'll take a picture now. And then in 14 days, I should be in oh, here we go. They feel just a little tiny teensy bit sensitive. Just on a scale from 1 to 10, a 1. And the little gooey thing that's in the strip is in there, so I don't know how gooey it looks. Sorry. I'm gonna go brush my teeth because I have that little goo on, so I'm gonna go. I think I did good. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to do the strips first and then go wash it off because there's a lot of goo on my teeth from the strips. So yeah, so let's go get this done and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I am back and I already did the strips for 30 minutes. Then after that, there was like a lot of goo on my teeth from the strips. I don't feel sensitive, like a little tiny bit, like I feel a little thing like it wants to be sensitive, but it's not being sensitive. Maybe it's just my emotions being sensitive. But anyway, so I did the strips, I brushed my teeth, and then I did the mouthwash, as they said. So I brushed my teeth for 120 seconds. I did the mouthwash for 60 seconds. And it says here for the whitening strips, it was 30 minutes, once a day for 4 days. So I'm gonna do today. What do you guys think? Do you guys see a difference? I don't know. I should do like a video, like a side by side, cause I don't know. Are they whiter on the first try? I feel like they are. Am I being like delusional? So, okay. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. So I will see you, I guess, tomorrow. This is part 1 out of 14. So let's see how the rest of the days go. I don't know. Maybe they're whiter. Okay, bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment.
And don't forget, don't delete it.
Don't delete it. Yeah, don't delete my videos.